Actually it's a cloud automation tool. You can perform a lot of activity. You can see here there's a Google Sheet and ChatGPT and so on. In this scenario, actually it will trigger by a webhook. Purpose of this scenario, that's when you'll go in your Automa workflow, you have no further control to your workflow after getting error or successful status, but you want to see upon your Google Sheet. In this case, we use here setting of our workflow. There's a workflow event. Here in a both scenario, it will update here link of webhook. Actually, it will send a post request with the body of status of your workflow. As you know, it's empty workflow because it's not connected with the click activity. So in case of just trigger, it will successfully run. We'll see just a status of our workflow after play this workflow. As we know, it's successfully done, and here we can also see its status. If we'll connect this workflow with a click element, as you know, we'll get here error. So in this case, it will also update on a Google Sheet. As we can see here in a Google Sheet, it will helpful in a both scenario if you wanna get what was the last time of your workflow when it was triggered, and you can also get here update about the status of your workflow that was last time run.